want more content? Catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. We're gonna check out a bunch of Stray Kids stuff. I don't know if I should do it in all one video. Should I do it in all one video? Is there more gonna be coming out? I feel like there is, but
love you, Dre.
oh shoot, what the hell?
We love you, Dre.
Welcome. Thank you for following. Thank you for following. Red Shakalaka. Thank you for following. Thank you for following. All right. First up is Burning Tires, Changbin and IN video. I know Changbin. I know IN too. What am I talking about? Like, I don't know all the members. But is that a Kit Kat? That looks so good. Anyways, let's check it out. Wait, one day.
One day.
A new
adventure begins for these two.
What is this? Oh. Let's go, Buff Daddy. What's in there? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what is it rock? Like heavy rock? Winning prize. Is that 10 billion cash? Like 10 million? How many? What is that? Is that 10? How many zeros are in a billion? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many zeros are in a billion? Is it 6? How many zeros are in a billion? 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What the fuck? That's just hella money. That's quintillion. How that don't even exist? That's a scam. Do you think people have to? No. Is this Kit Kat? I should be eating Kit Kats now. Oh, what the hell? Oh! He left! Ah. Round 1. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, he's in the car though. Ooh. The amount of production they put in this, it's kind of crazy. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Wait. I ain't got tired. Oh, parkour. Oh. What a saint. He stopped because he didn't want to kill that caterpillar. Huh? Okay. Ooh, that outfit's kind of... I'm obsessed? Or I'm blessed. I can't read this. Obsessed? Oh. Woo! I miss Changbin's like super fast rapping. Hey, he still didn't squish. Oh. Hold on. Let me see that again. 3, 2, 1, but. Damn, boy. Oh, we fighting? I like the all white outfits though. Yeah. Rolling in the street. Wait, what happened? It was all a dream? Oh, there were many people. It was not just them. Out of my way. It's like on some Squid Game shit. Was there a furry? Did I see a furry? A mascot? There is one. Oh my god. He's wearing a teddy bear outfit. He's not wearing a mask. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Hey. It's just super high energy too. Oh. Oh, Ian got it? Speeding ticket. Burning tires. And now we're back. Did he get the money though? Did he get the money? What a split. Oh my god. What the hell? The layering music kind of reminds me of the 2000s cartoon theme songs in a very good way. I know exactly what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. God dang. I ain't on that vampire speed though. But then you got like freaking Changbin with that strength. What is this one? Stray Kids Truman? Like the Truman Show? Or True Man? Oh, we're going to find out. We're going to find out. Let's go. This is Han and Felix. Oh, God. If you guys didn't know, my bias is Felix. Damn. Anyway. I love them all, but, you know, listen. I have my history. All right, Truman. Let's go. I was like hip-hop? Like classy hip-hop? Is that a crow? A raven?
I sketch visions of my future, but sometimes the wrong shade slip in the picture.
Oh, with like dark blue hair?
God reminds me I'm human. Head high, keep on moving, living real like Truman. I'm the Truman. We're all same, no different.
This reminds me of like the intro kind of reminds me of like was it Epic High-esque? Let me see it again.
I sketch visions of my future, but sometimes the wrong shade slip in the picture. Feel like a failure, a loser, but oh my God reminds me I'm human. Head high, keep on moving, living real like Truman. I'm the Truman. We're all same, no difference. Fell fear, bad days, man.
Ooh, I like how this starts. The heat, iced out.
We don't care 'cause we're blessed.
Okay, what the hell?
Play, you know we keep it honey.
Hold up. What? Rengar? Yo, why do you look like why his eyes do that? Sorry. Is his eyes like going this way? I don't... Is his eyes like focusing? Am I tripping? I might be tripping. You know what? It's okay. It's fine. Little cockeyed. We go fast. Ooh. Yeah. Woo. The beat itself is very video gamey too at the same time. Look at Jewel. Whoa, what was that change up? It's giving Uncanny Valley vibe. Interesting. The dog. Oh, I just noticed the dog. Ooh, he's crumping too? What? Let's go, Han. Wait, that wasn't Han. Oh, that wasn't Han. Was that Han? Wait. No, Han never even spit yet. Oh shit, it's all been Felix, right? What? Now it's Han. We go fast, bitch. First and the last. What we doing with it? Yeah. God damn, hon. God damn. They look badass though. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, 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 hey. Why Benz though? Why Benz? Then the last, what you know? What you know? What you know? Yup. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Truman. Ooh, that went pretty hard. That went pretty hard. It seems like Stray Kids always goes like hard. You know what? Nah, not to be weird, bro. Like hard doesn't like their music just goes like in your face type of vibe each time. I'm very curious what the next one's gonna sound like now. What is the next one gonna sound like? This is Stray Kids Escape Bangchan and Hyunjin video. Okay. Damn, this has already been an hour of recording. Oh no, it hasn't been. It's been almost an hour of live stream. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Well, I'm gonna have to watch it either way. I'm gonna either have to watch it. All right, Escape Bangchan Hyunjin. Let's get it. Let's go. I heard this is. I'm not ready for this, so let's check it out. This is Hyunjin shaved head too. Love me that. Love me that. What? Were they running like werewolves? Huh. Okay. What's like a kind of reggae beat? Oh, not the boom boom. Oh. Oh, he reckless. Okay, Bangchan. Wait, what? Why are they fighting? The chains? Are we playing on the bed? What is happening? Oh. Someone said, what in the BL? Oh. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, they're hiding from the shadows? Oh, what the hell? You gonna fight him? Who is he fighting? Oh, they running, He's been chained up? What the hell? Is this the past? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. They've been chained up together? They did look good though. They did look good. I'm not gonna lie. So that's all I've been looking at. I was like, wait, this is like a bromance? Like, are they just protecting each other? Like buddies forever type of vibe? Hyunjin turns into a ferret in his MV is crazy. Oh, Hyunjin. If I remember, his animal is a ferret. No, I think so. Someone could check that for me. They literally so insane. First of all, they were just playing. Right? They were just playing on the bed like that? Hold up. We're not going to just brush past that. The chains connected to the red lights. Oh, that's that's what I thought from red light, right? So it's a continuing. Dre, give them privacy. You know what? You're right. I should give them privacy. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.